St. Lucia is making strides in boosting its healthcare capacity. The highly infectious COVID-19 has streamlined the island's focus on ensuring no stone is left unturned in beefing up the healthcare system. On Friday, March 27, 2020, the island recorded achievements. The first was the opening of the OKEU to receive patients from the Victoria Hospital, and the second was the arrival of 100-plus Cuban medical professionals to assist the island in the fight against COVID-19. The renewed diplomatic ties between the islands was highlighted by Minister for Foreign Affairs, Sarah Beaubrun. She notes the island has always been a friend to St. Lucia.
This is not the first time Cuban health professionals have been here, but this is the first time so many have come all at once. Cuba and St. Lucia established diplomatic relations more than 40 years ago, soon after our independence. And we have come to know the Cuban person. We have come to understand what the Cuban citizen is like. We have come to recognize and know a Cuban by your heart.
The state of St. Lucia's healthcare system has for many years been the topic of great debate, with successive governments attempting to raise the level of care for the nation, however, hitting roadblocks along the path. Now the impetus to a strengthened healthcare system in St. Lucia has been expedited on all fronts, given the looming threat of a widespread outbreak of COVID-19 in St. Lucia. Beaubrun addressed the arriving medical professionals, driving home the important mission they have embarked upon in a time when the world over is being burdened by the same enemy.
We are facing an unprecedented time in the world today. A time when we call on our friends for help. A time when every country is facing the same problem. And so we ask, who do we turn to? And we turn to a friend whom we knew would say yes. Cuba.
Cuba has deployed a number of medical professionals the world over in the fight against the spread of COVID-19. According to www.workers.org, quote, Cuba's antiviral medicine recombinant interferon alpha-2b IFN-REC is among the medicines chosen by China to treat symptoms of the coronavirus, end quote. However, to date, there is still no specific cure, antiviral, and vaccine, hence the emphasis on social distancing and diagnostic testing. Lucia Alfred, HTS News Force.